One hostile entering the system, sir.
Red alert,
They're powering
shields
up
up.
their weapon systems.
Here we go again.
The bottom shield is draining, sir. Sir, we are draining their top shield. Their bottom shield is draining, sir. Sir, we are draining their top shield. Target hull integrity at 75%. Target hull integrity at 75%. Captain, their shield system has been disabled. Target hull integrity at 50%.
Lowering shields for transport.
Simulated enemy ship has been destroyed. Sir, that's the
Captain.
last of them. I believe
All
we're in the
stations,
clear.
damage report.
That was
Impulse
not really
engines
the
are
kind of
fully
party I
functional.
was expecting.
Warp engines fully functional, Captain.
Phaser array is fully functional. Torpedo system is fully functional, Captain. Tractor beam is fully functional, Captain.
Sensor system is fully functional.
Hull integrity at 100%. Shields are at 100%.
Your orders, sir?